LVT flooring stands for luxury vinyl tiles. Main material is the PVC, resin powder, stone powder, and other adhesives. Luxury vinyl tiles flooring is a product that looks like real wood and stone flooring, but provides many more potential benefits. Available in a range of sizes, shapes, and effects, you can create an authentic-looking floor in your home without the practical drawbacks of natural products. There are many different of luxury vinyl tiles. This is self-adhesive flooring, which is with a thickness 1.5 to 2 millimeters. The wear layer is 0.1 to 0.3 millimeters, and has wood colors, the stone colors, and carpet colors, also others. Here is the dryback flooring. Dryback flooring with a thickness 2.5 millimeters and 3 millimeters, with the wear layer 0.1 to 0.3, and also 0.5, 0.7 is also available. Here is the vinyl clink flooring, which is with a clink inside and has a thickness 3.5 millimeters to 6 millimeters. Also, the padding and limit like the EVA, XE, or the cork are also available. Here is the loosely flooring, also the LVT flooring with a thickness 5 millimeters to 6 millimeters. The wear layer is 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters. These four different luxury vinyl tiles have different install methods. Self-adhesive with adhesive glue in bag can install directly in the ground. It's okay. For the dryback flooring with flat backing, if you install, need to glue the adhesive, then put in the ground. It's okay. For the clink is more popular and install very easy with the clink. And loosely flooring with is a special backing process, which is in reducing noise transfer to rooms below. Also, the flooring with quick and easy install can be used in rooms with high humidity or the water exposure, such as kitchens and bathrooms.